is the actual sound of a star dying. When a black hole traps a neutron star, it doesn't just swallow it, it shreds it apart. This collision is so violent, it creates ripples in the very fabric of the universe, called gravitational waves. These waves pass through Earth, and detectors like LIGO captured them. We converted those invisible ripples into audible sound. Listen to that chirp again. That split-second sound holds more energy than our sun will produce in its entire lifetime. The universe is louder than you think. Hit like and subscribe for your daily dose of cosmic horror.